History is more than a list of famous people.
More than a series of events to memorize.
It is a set of connected stories
of societies and nations,
cities and villages,
families and individuals.
Over 1 million years ago,
there were about 55,000 of us.
Today,
there are 7 billion.
We live longer,
we're better educated,
but the benefits of progress have never been equally shared.
We began as nomadic families,
foraging for food.
Then we lived in villages
that grew into cities,
that grew into empires.
Societies interacted,
trading goods and ideas,
until we arrived
at today's
global network.
Connections deepened,
but sometimes they contracted
or broke entirely due to war or disease.
Wherever we live, we see a need to provide order to our daily lives.
Hierarchies develop,
religions and new systems of government are established.
Throughout history,
people have created new technologies and new ways to trade.
What was the impact of these innovations?
Why did farming develop in so many different places around the same time?
How did social and political ideas spread along trade routes?
These are some of history's key questions.
The interaction of societies,
goods, and networks
is just one of many narratives that shape us.
By exploring the past,
we can better understand our present
and imagine our future.
When we take on our stories,
we take on world history.